to change your gender on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your gender on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. Go to your Instagram app, click on it and click on your profile. Now you have those three lines up there beside the plus icon. Click on it and click on setting. Now click on your account, and all you need to do is click on the first option, which is personal account, personal information. Now you have the third option, which is gender. Click on it and now you can change, click on male, female, wherever you are, and click on the check icon, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.